Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a big concern for anyone over 60 muscle loss and weak legs. Did you know your breakfast could be your secret weapon? We're diving into 5 collagen-rich breakfasts you must eat after 60. These meals aren't just tasty. They're designed to boost your strength, mobility, and confidence. Quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or routine. We're here to empower you with knowledge so you can have better conversations with your medical team. Ready to get cooking and build some muscle? Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your overall health and well-being. It's a supercharged bowl of oatmeal, packed with nutrients and designed to give you a sustained energy boost. We're enhancing it with the goodness of fresh strawberries and the power of chia seeds. Oats provide slow-release energy, keeping you feeling full and energized for hours. They're also a great source of essential minerals like zinc, which is crucial for collagen production, helping to maintain healthy skin, hair, and nails. Strawberries add a burst of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Vitamin C is also essential for turning protein into usable collagen, which is vital for maintaining the strength and elasticity of your skin. This process is crucial for your muscles and joints, keeping them healthy and flexible. Chia seeds bring omega-3s, essential fatty acids that play a key role in overall health. These omega-3s are fantastic for inflammation control, helping to reduce joint pain and stiffness. Plus, they provide plant-based protein and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those mid-morning cravings. Just cook your oats according to package directions, then stir in a generous helping of sliced strawberries, adding a touch of sweetness and a boost of vitamins. Finally, sprinkle with chia seeds, ensuring you get those vital omega-3s and extra fiber. Let it sit a minute or two so the chia seeds can absorb some liquid, creating a delightful, slightly thickened texture. This combo isn't just filling, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. It's a targeted breakfast designed to help your body thrive, providing the building blocks it needs. It will build, repair, and strengthen your body from the inside out. Every bite supports your connective tissues, keeping them strong and resilient. This helps prevent injury and keeps you moving freely and comfortably. It's a delicious, easy way to start your day strong, setting the stage for a day filled with energy and vitality. Say goodbye to weak legs, and hello to a stronger, more confident you, one bowl at a time. Try this tomorrow and feel the difference. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Looking for a breakfast that's both satisfying and nutritious? Prefer something savory over sweet in the morning? Try hard-boiled eggs. They're incredibly versatile and easy to prepare ahead of time. Add some creamy avocado. This superfood is packed with goodness, and serve it all on whole grain toast. It's the perfect base for this power-packed breakfast. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. They're packed with amino acids to repair and build muscle, making them ideal for post-workout recovery or simply maintaining strength. They also provide vitamin D for bone health, which is crucial as we age to keep our bones strong and resilient. Avocado delivers healthy fats, the kind that are good for your heart and brain. These fats help to fight inflammation, and the avocado also provides potassium for muscle function. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve signals. Whole grain toast gives you lasting energy thanks to its complex carbohydrates, and the fiber promotes gut health, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling satisfied. Just mash avocado on toast, creating a delicious and nutritious base. Then top with sliced eggs, arranging them artfully for an appealing presentation, and season to taste. A sprinkle of salt and pepper can really enhance the flavors. This meal is quick, balanced, providing a great mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. And it keeps you full for hours, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes. Think of it as a construction crew for your muscles, providing the building blocks they need to stay strong. Protein, the essential component for muscle repair and growth. Healthy fats, which support hormone production and overall well-being, and energy all in one. Fueling your body and mind for a productive day. It's a simple, powerful way to nourish your body and start your day off right. To invest in your strength every morning. Making a conscious choice to prioritize your health and well-being. Give it a try and notice the difference in your energy. You might be surprised at how much better you feel throughout the day. Next, a warm cup of bone broth with pumpkin seeds and spinach. Bone broth is rich in easily absorbed collagen, directly supporting your joints and connective tissues. Pumpkin seeds add magnesium and zinc, key minerals for muscle function and collagen production. Stir in fresh spinach for vitamin K and iron, boosting bone strength and oxygen delivery to muscles. Just heat the broth, wilt in spinach, and top with pumpkin seeds. This breakfast is soothing, nourishing, and perfect for joint health. While others reach for sugary cereals, you're fueling your body with what it truly needs. It's a proactive step for mobility and strength. Try this healing elixir and feel the support from the inside out. For a quick, refreshing start, blend banana, Greek yogurt, and ground flax seeds into a smoothie. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein for muscle repair and calcium for bone health. Bananas provide potassium to prevent cramps and support muscle contractions. Flax seeds offer omega-3s to fight inflammation and fiber for digestion. Just blend yogurt, banana, and flax seeds. Add water or milk if you like it thinner. This smoothie is easy to digest and perfect for those with smaller appetites. It's a portable, nutrient-packed meal that supports muscle recovery and mobility. Drink it before a walk or workout for an energy boost. It's a delicious way to keep your muscles strong and flexible. Make it part of your morning routine for lasting benefits. Let's explore another fantastic addition to your morning routine. Our final breakfast suggestion is a powerful morning drink, a simple yet effective way to kickstart your day and nourish your body from within. It's a blend of natural ingredients designed to support your overall well-being. We begin with warm water with lemon, followed by honey, then collagen powder, and finally, amla. Collagen powder delivers the essential amino acids your body needs, the very building blocks required to rebuild connective tissue and provide crucial support to your joints, helping to maintain their flexibility and resilience. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a true powerhouse, packed with a high concentration of vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for the synthesis of collagen within your body, boosting its effectiveness. Lemon adds a refreshing zest and provides an extra dose of vitamin C, while honey not only soothes the throat but also sweetens the drink naturally, making it a delightful experience. To prepare this revitalizing drink, simply warm a cup of water, ensuring it's not too hot, then add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, followed by a scoop of high-quality collagen powder, and just a pinch of amla powder for that extra boost of vitamin C and antioxidants, finishing with a drizzle of honey to add a touch of sweetness and comfort. Stir the mixture well until the powders are fully dissolved, and then sip slowly, allowing your body to absorb all the goodness. This drink not only hydrates your body first thing in the morning, but also gently wakes up your system, preparing it for the day ahead. It provides your body with the essential tools it needs, empowering it to stay strong, flexible, and resilient throughout your daily activities. It's a simple ritual, taking just a few minutes each morning, yet it offers big benefits for the health of your joints and muscles. Make it a daily habit, a consistent part of your morning routine, to support your body from the inside out, nourishing it with the nutrients it craves. Start your day with this simple yet powerful drink, and feel the difference it makes in your overall mobility and well-being. There you have it. 5 powerful breakfasts to help you fight muscle loss and weak legs. Each meal is a step toward better strength, mobility, and confidence after 60. Share your favorite muscle-boosting breakfast in the comments below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Senior Sage for more tips. Your engagement helps our community grow and supports others on their wellness journey. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and see you next time.